Wizard.
Hi everybody, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I'm just here to talk to you about the Deck Restoration Plus products and how we got where we are and why you should be carrying these products. Being the Wizard of Wood, I've been doing this for over 30 years, and I've been teaching contractors for over 20 years, over 10,000 contractors. And basically, as I've told everyone who I've spoken to, I've been very selfish about this. I have a contracting company where we do the work, we test the work, we do this stuff, and I need the best products to deliver the best results to my customers. So that's how we came up with developing the Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain, our strippers, all of our restoration products. They're state-of-the-art, they're different than most. For example, our regular Deck Restoration Plus stripper is not just sodium hydroxide and water, or we're not just selling pellets of sodium hydroxide. We actually use other products in there to get us to help deal with today's products and today's stains and so forth when it comes to stripping them off or managing them and so forth. Now, hopefully what we're doing is we're getting rid of those products and we're putting on the Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain. If you have a new wood, a new deck and new cabin, that's what we're going to put on there. Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I'm here with a special announcement. You may have seen some of the videos and kind of seen it already. We now have 1 gallon packaging and everything. So we only had it for the stains before. We now have it for all our masonry products, including our sealers, and also for all of our restoration products. So here's a restorer, stripper, and those kind of things. So we have all this stuff ready to go. So the best thing to do is go to www.deckandwoodstain.com. You can get more information about the products. You can also place orders at our store or find out where our distributors are near you. So give us a visit, check out our products, and everything here is Everett Abrams Wizard of Wood approved. But the reason you want to use the Deck Restoration Plus products are they're field tested, they're tested by the Wizard of Wood. All these products are Wizard of Wood approved. They deliver the best results. I wouldn't use them otherwise, but I actually use them. I'm not just creating a product and then selling it. I'm actually selling it because I know that they work. And that's the difference between our products and everyone else's. I'm field tested and using them in the field every day. The employees of DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus use these products on a daily basis. They're environmentally friendly. It's a penetrating water base. You don't have to worry about VOC compliance. Mold and mildew issues that you do with oil base. We have 2 different types of strippers. We're not telling you to go out and struggle with that. You got water base, you got oil base, you got film formers, penetrators, all kinds of scenarios. But if you have different strippers that can address each one of those products, that's what we have. We make the job easier for you. So if you're a contractor and you're watching this video, make sure you get to your distributor, your local hardware store, and tell them, get a hold of Deck Restoration Plus and start carrying the products. If you're a distributor watching this, then hopefully we've enticed you to at least make a call or inquire about us. We can send you a distributor packet and get you carrying products for your customers. We're having great success all over the country with these products. More and more people are requesting them and walking in and asking people to call us about them. And that's the reason for the video, just to let everybody more aware that the Deck Restoration Plus products are here, and they're going to make your job easier, and no reason not to use them. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Just give us a call, toll free 866-440-3325, and let us send you a distributor packet or a contractor packet about our products. Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and we are here with our products from Deck Restoration Plus and DRP, and because I'm the Wizard of Wood, they're all Wizard of Wood approved products. So thank you for watching the video of all of our products. We have some really great products, from our restoration products all the way to our stains and sealers and our paver and masonry products. Please visit us at www.deckandwoodstain.com for more information about all of our products. And if nothing else, and you want to find out more information about water-based stains and sealers that penetrate wood and can go onto wet, damp, or dry wood, or some of our great restoration products that are industry leading, please give us a call toll free, 866-440-3325. We'd love to speak to you about our products. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thank you for watching our videos.